1992 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail. Got it. Was left for dead, and we're gonna rebuild it. Found some new fenders and gas tank. Alrighty, it's got new wheels on it. Alrighty, got a new cam cover. Got a new transmission side cover. Brand new back tire. That came with it. Came with two primary covers. This is the better of the two. This tank has a little dent in it, but we're gonna get that taken out. Found this 21-inch front wheel and rotor. So we're gonna go El Cholo style. See how it turns out. She still needs a lot of help, but it's come along already. Stay tuned.